Hey you! Yes, you! This is your chance to win big. Your ticket to freedom. Your opportunity to stand out on the open road with nothing but effortless adventures ahead of you and all your worries behind you. Simply for answering one elite question. What is a sign your wiper blades need replacing? A. Squeaking, B. Shuddering, C. Smearing, or D. All of the above. Get it right and you could win a brand new Hyundai Venue Elite plus a lifetime supply of high-performance Wipertech wiper blades. Same sleek, squeak-free, high-performance blades that have been empowering drivers with smoother journeys for years. Go to wipertech.com.au/freedom to enter. Competition ends midnight July 31st. Go on, no more excuses. Just non-stop adventures. After all, freedom calls.